Okay, we got everything here we're going to need to finish the head. So we got the head here, and we have a 1/2 inch dowel, which will go back in here. That's for our string to come up and over. We have this block here, which will slide in here, and that's going to be for the mouth to attach to. So we still have to cut some of this off yet, but I don't know quite yet. But this will get screwed onto here with a hinge, and that will make be able to move our mouth open and closed. We are going to use a 1-inch hinge, which will get attached to the back of the mouth and to this block. That's so we can open and close the mouth. This will get screwed in from the sides of the head. We've got 2 of these eye hooks. One goes up to the top of the head for our spring to attach to. The other will go into the end of our stick. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch stick for this one. We have 2 of these little eye hooks. One will get attached to the top of the mouth here. That's where the spring will attach to the top of the head. The other one will go back here for our string to tie onto. We've got a 24-inch piece of nylon string that we're going to use. We have a 1-inch ring. We have a 3-inch spring. This goes to the top of the mouth, or from the mouth to the top of the head. We got the back of the head here. We made 2 ears, and these have 1-inch screws, so they'll get glued into the side of the head and screwed in so they don't come loose. These are going to be our bolts for the side of the neck. So we'll screw these in with 1-inch screws. And then this, I will drill a hole here so we can inset this down in there and glue it in. So we got everything here we need to finish the inside of the head and the top of the head and everything. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.